Hello everyone, welcome back to Lexi's World. Guess what? I'm just gonna make a breakfast smoothie today, alright? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some frozen strawberries, and I'm also gonna use a cup and a half of mango, frozen mango, alright? So this is what I'm gonna use to just make my frozen smoothie bowl. I'm gonna use like a frozen smoothie bowl, alright? When I'm finished, I'm gonna add some fresh fruits. So it's just like really simple, like 3 ingredients. I'm gonna use some oat milk. I have some oat milk, the silk milk. I'm just gonna use that. I have a half a cup there. When I'm finished, I'm gonna decorate it with some fresh fruits, and we're gonna have a smoothie bowl, all right? So let's get started. Of course, it's a healthy smoothie bowl. Basically, I just bought the frozen fruits. So I bought the mango, and then I have the strawberry. And this is also considered like a healthy breakfast, all right? So this is my blender. I'm going to add everything here. So I'm gonna just put half of the milk. I'll just put half of the milk. So I have less than half of it. I'm gonna add my cup and a half of the frozen mangoes. I'm going to add 1 cup of frozen strawberries. And then with that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, alright? Okay. I'm not sure I'll need all the milk, so very simple, very healthy. So I have my blender ready, and I'm just going to mix it up again. I want it really thick. A little bit more of the milk, because the thicker it is the better, alright? So what I'm going to do now, alright, so what I'm going to do, this is my smoothie bowl. So it's like really thick, you see? So what I'm gonna do, I have some strawberries here. So what I did, I add the strawberries. Here's it, I put my mango there, and then I just have some granola. I'm gonna add some granola there. Add the granola, all right. Coconut, I have roasted coconut, so I can add a little bit of that in between, all right. So my smoothie bowl is here, healthy smoothie bowl, all right. And it's so simple, very easy, 4 ingredients. You have your strawberries, mango, and a little bit of oat milk. You can put cashew milk, you can put plant-based, whatever. And that's it, very simple, and I use it. So thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe on my channel, and stay tuned for new other videos. All right, thank you.